Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is displaying a message indicating that liquid has been detected in the lightning connector, it's essential to take immediate action to prevent potential damage to your device. So today we are here to provide you some address to this issue. Firstly, disconnect the charger. If your iPhone is connected to a charger or any other accessory via the lightning connector, disconnect it immediately. Do not attempt to charge your phone until the issue has been resolved. Another step is dry the lightning connector. Gently wipe the lightning connector with a clean dry cloth to remove any visible moisture or debris. Avoid using compressed air or blowing into the connector as this could force liquid further into the device. Lastly, allow your iPhone to dry. If you suspect that your iPhone has been exposed to liquid, it's crucial to allow it to dry thoroughly before attempting to use it again. Place your iPhone in a dry, well ventilated area and let it dry at least for 24 to 48 hours. Do not use heat sources such as hair dryers, as excessive heat can damage your devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.